Family is not important. In fact, it is everything, as J. Fox says. Today, I want to show you the most amazing 3-bedroom apartment in Westlands, and kindly keep subscribing to my YouTube channel because this is not the only beautiful home that you'll see. Walk with me. Thank you for the community of 500 subscribers. I said 500,000 because I'm sure we'll get there. And this will be your favorite real estate channel each and every time, because apart from real estate tours, we do real estate investments insights that guide you to your real estate prosperity and investment opportunity. But for today, allow me to take you through this tour and tell me your honest opinion about this home. So these are 3-bedroom apartment that is going for Kenyan shillings 40 million. That is a discount price, but this is how it looks like. You have your island here, kitchen island, that is very big. I think personally it is very functional for somebody who loves cooking a lot. Look at the space. You have your fitted kitchen. You have your storage over here. And I think I like the choice of appliances. They have chosen to work with Biko. And here is your sink. It's already running, but for show house. And over here, you have your oven, and right here you can fit a fridge. It's a double door fridge. While over here you have more storage. This coming to you at 40 million. Look at the worktop, the quality of the worktop. I think this is marble. I like the quality. And apart from that, this is a smart home. I will be putting on this. I have dimmed the lights. So let me readjust them to bright so that you can be able to see the place well. And over here, right at the entrance, you have your guest toilet. Come and see what the guest toilet has to offer. It has a sink and storage. Here you can store towels for the guests to wash their hands and dry their hands. You have a smart mirror, you can see. And over here you have an Arabian shower and a washroom. Now come with me. This is your worktop or your kitchen island, and this is your dining area. My honest thought about this dining area, it is spacious, but I feel we should, the developer would have adopted seats that tuck in under the table so that you can have more space and more walkability within the house. But for the living room, I feel this is a perfect fit for a couch. And the curtains as well, you can see they are smart. The cable you can see shows that the smart feature is already fitted on the curtains. But I think I like the blend of colors for both the lights, the floor, and the curtains. I'll push them using the smart control, but this curtains opens to the view of the school. That is St. Mary's School. So you have a very permanent view, and your unit will always be well lit, especially in the living room and the kitchen area, because yes, now we are drawing the curtains. And that is your view. That is what a smart home does for you. This is your view. This is St. Mary's School. Look at the view. I don't know whether it's the quality of work that I like most or the views about this place, but I think everything here is elegant for 43 million. So those will be your views, and remember the curtains are floor to ceiling, ensuring that your unit receives natural light. And over here you have more storage for, you can store books there, and you can fit a very big TV on that screen. Let us start with the first bedroom. So all the units are en suite, and it's 2,200 square feet. Look at the vanity, the quality, and the smart mirror. You have sockets for shavers, and here you have your flashing unit and a very functional cubicle. And the bed space, I think it's adequate. Look at the quality of wardrobes. Tell me what you think about this quality. And over here you can fit a TV, 6x6 bed. And I think the designer is an astronaut. You can see they have placed some very beautiful art pieces for astronauts. And over here you have a smart, for this particular unit, it faces the garden. This bedroom faces the garden. You'll have a fountain in the garden over there. This will be shown in the model. Welcome to the second bedroom. It's all en suite as well. You have your storage over there. You can fit a king size bed. This is the good thing about this place. You can fit a king size bed, and over here you have your washroom, and it also faces the garden. Hence, all the rooms are well lit, as you can see. And we will draw the curtains using the smart option. And finally, welcome to the master bedroom. I think this couch shows you how spacious it is, and the elegance and the convenience that you are stepping into. So I don't know where to start, but I think I'll start with the bedroom space so that I can use a bathtub for the first time in my life. This is the bedroom space. It's very simple and very well lit. If you look at the curtains, it's floor to ceiling. if you look at the gypsum height, it's very high. I think it's around 3 meters. And this space gives you the freedom that the bedroom, it's a place to rest and a place to reconnect with your wife and create memories with your wife. So allow me to take you to the other parts of the bedroom. Walk with me. This is your walk-in closet. You can see it has smart light sensors. Once I stepped in, the lights came on. And apart from that, I think it's adequate for him and her. And finally, this is your vanity area. And I don't know what you love more about this place, but I think I love the bathtub. I love the bathtub and how it faces the school. As you can see now, you'll have some very, very good views while taking a bath, creating memories with your loved ones. And look at the quality of the bathtub. Upper, you'll create memories and a lot of babies. This is your water closet, and over here you have your sink and your shower cubicle. What I think about this place for 40 million, I think it is it's a very good price point given the quality of workmanship. You can see it from the video and from the show house, that in case you want to visit the place. And also given the number of units, you can see the distance from this block and the other block. It's around 10 meters. So your unit will always be well lit. And the quality of workmanship, the quality of finishes, the quality of everything in this place makes the price justifiable. But anyways, I would like to hear your thoughts about this place, especially the workmanship and the quality of work. And please don't hesitate to call us on 0703 460 686 for more inquiries. And keep subscribing to this channel. I believe you appreciate the work we do. And for the 500 followers, you are a family to us. Thank you.